Hello guys, welcome back to 1 Minute IT Shot. In this video, I'll show you how to create and share an iCloud album with your friends or family on your iPhone. Let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll all the way down and tap Apps. Now find and select Photos. Scroll down and make sure the Shared Albums option is turned on. If it's already enabled, you're ready to continue. Next, open the Photos app. Select the photos or videos you want to share. Once you've selected them, tap the Share button in the bottom left corner. Scroll down and tap Add to Shared Album. Now tap New Shared Album. Enter a name for your album. If you want, you can also add a comment before sharing. Next, you can invite the people you want to share the album with by entering their Apple ID email addresses. If you don't want to invite anyone right now, you can skip this step and add them later. Finally, tap Create. Your shared iCloud album is now ready, and anyone you invite will be able to view the photos and videos you've shared. And that's it.